In this video, we're going to create a simple clock, and we only need a few lines of code to make this, and this is a very good project for someone who's beginning learning Python and Tkinter. So we're going to use Tkinter to create the GUI, and so I'll need from Tkinter I will import everything, and from Tkinter TTK I will import also everything, and I will import from time, import string to time. I will define my window, which is in Tkinter root equals to tk. It's a built-in function in Tkinter, and I'm going to give it a title. Root title is going to be Python clock. I will create a function which will display the time, so we'll need a string to time. It will be in, first we'll have the hours, then we'll have the minutes, and then we'll have seconds. I need to add double dots yet. And I'll create a label contain text equals to string, and it's gonna update every 1000 milliseconds, so every second it will update. And now I'm gonna define my label, so label equals to label, and I'm gonna pass in the root and the font, which will be Helvetica. The size will be 60, and the background will be green, and foreground will be white. And bracket label back anchor is center. And now I'm going to run the function, and I'm going to run the main function, which is main loop. It's a function to start the application. And now I'm going to run it, and we'll have our clock. So this is our clock.